Hi, I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to CCL TV. Joining me today is Chander from TCI Express. Chander, thanks so much for being here today. Are you enjoying the conference so far?
It's been one of the best experiences I've had in recent times.
Quite a claim. Now, tell us about TCI Express.
So we are India's biggest and largest and fastest growing express B2B company. And we also do B2C express business. We have about 800 offices across the country and about 40,000 pickup and drop locations. So we are the company to go to for India deliveries and India bound deliveries and vice versa.
And what made you get into this industry?
As a company, I thought the way Indian economy is growing, and it's going to be, logistics is going to be almost $1 trillion market size opportunity by 2030. So I think it made sense to be in this line of business.
And how were you affected by the pandemic?
So the pandemic has been a good time for us to learn and instill new ideas and new innovation, and that really helped in improving our bottom line, customer satisfaction.
And are there any particular digital forwarding actions that you've taken throughout the pandemic?
So what we did was that one unique thing that we did was the customer, the CRM is something that we have in-house, and we kind of upgraded that and we are actually looking forward to the Starlink, the live satellite internet facility that should be starting next year. So we will be getting real-time data for all the clients right away.
Great. And what are the key benefits of being a member of NAP?
I think it's one of the best opportunities we've had in the last few years ever since we've been members to talk to owners all across the world. We didn't have that opportunity as much. It was limited to maybe just Asian companies, but this just opened up the entire world.
And obviously events like this where you can connect and network.
Yes.
And what do you think about CCL TV being here today?
I think another great initiative for CCL TV to be here and understand the needs of requirements of forwarders.
And what are the challenges that we face in the air cargo industry?
We all know that in the present scenario what's going on, the shortage of space and everything. But in general, the time to come would be more of the carbon emissions and all that.
Yes. What are your thoughts on sustainability? Tell us about that. And what's TCI Express?
So we have actually one of the only few companies in logistics that are on the ESG website, and I think in time to come it's going to be really hard for bringing maybe battery upgraded planes and all of that for air cargo. But let's see what happens as things evolve, technology evolves.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for your time today. Enjoy the rest of the conference, and hopefully see you again soon.
Sure.